Alright, yeah, so, all I've got to do now is toss these old bearings, get the pistons out, get the heads off, get the cam out, because I'm reusing that. Other than that, this block is then done. I'm going to sit this block next to that one over there. And we'll go from there.
I'd buy those people a place to stay. But all I got is a dime, and I got so little time. If I had faith, I'd get down on my knees.
Alright, next comes the heads, getting them off.
If I had faith, oh, I'd get down on my knees. But all I got is bad religion, and I got nowhere to pray.
Alright, so heads are off. The bores. Yep, won't really matter though, because these pistons and this block are both not getting used, so doesn't matter what they look like. but I am reusing, that doesn't look too good. I am reusing the lifters, hopefully, and the camshaft. Camshaft should be good. So I'm gonna get those two out, and then after that I'm gonna flip it over and we can get the pistons out because I need the rods. So I'm just putting them exactly how they came out of the motor, just to keep them, because they're kind of worn into the lobes of the cam. So they are, but they aren't. I mean, these are pretty new. I just put these in there. Actually, they have like no miles on them, but some idle and some rough stuff in the oil. Obviously, I had shavings in the oil, so yeah, they're a little worn, more than a few miles, but that's all they've got on them. So they look good. Cam looks good. So we're just gonna pull that out. Pull the cam out. We got 1, 2, 3 bolts there. Pull that cam out, and then we'll check it out, make sure that it is indeed still good. It's a pretty good mild cam. I like it. It's pretty good. Now, the whole reason why I am disassembling this motor, and I got that motor now, or block. The whole reason I'm redoing all this is probably my 4th try now with the stroker motor. The whole reason is because basically the bores are no good on this motor. They're no good on this motor, and they were no good on that motor either, because I had that block actually. I had the 400, well, I had the 4000 series crank, the 4-inch crank in that motor actually to begin with, and yeah, the thing didn't want to run. And then I had it in here, and the bores are messed up in this one as well. And so yeah, I made mistakes. So that's the reason with this. But I also did mess up when I went with cam choice. I actually was gonna go with a bigger cam than this one I just pulled out, but it ended up being too big of a cam. I thought it was good to go, but turns out I needed different springs. It wiped off one lobe on the cam that I had in this block. Just one lobe and one lifter. They were wiped off. It was bad. So I wasn't sure what happened, and I don't know, I changed something. I went with, no, I didn't change anything. I just thought it was just a messed up cam. So I bought another cam, the same kind, and put it in here, and the same thing happened. And it wiped a lobe off the cam within, I don't know, I didn't even really drive it. It was like 2 miles. 2 miles and some idle time, right? Obviously, got to break it in. So I broke it in correctly, right? That wasn't the problem. It was just I needed different springs, and I used the springs that I got for this cam that I just pulled out of here, and they just weren't. I guess they were too strong. So I figured that out after the second cam. Now I am just gonna go with the cam that I just pulled out of here. It's more of a mild cam, but it worked pretty well before, so I'm just gonna go with that one. So there's the block. It's on the stand. Get a good shot in there. It's pretty cool in there. Oh no, you can't see the. I thought you could see the bores too, but no. So, yep, pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll keep making updates about the motor, and then I'll finally put it in the car and finally go for a ride, and we'll see how it runs and all that. But so, I guess that pretty much wraps up this video. If you liked it, well, subscribe if you want to see more about it. If not, then don't. So, yeah, catch you guys in the next video.